Look at these creamy, dreamy donuts filled with rich vanilla custard and smooth melted chocolate. They're unbelievably soft and fluffy, the kind that just melts the second you take a bite. Even if this is your first time, you can absolutely get these right. Top them with anything you love, keep them simple, or go all out. They turn out beautiful every single time. Let's make them from scratch, step by step. I'm starting with 1 cup of lukewarm water, not hot. We're waking the yeast up, not shocking it. Add 3.5 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. Give it a quick mix and let it sit for about 10 minutes. When it turns foamy like this, you know it's ready. That's your sign everything's going in the right direction. In my stand mixer, I'm adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3.5 tablespoons of full cream milk powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and just a pinch of cinnamon. It's subtle, but it gives the most beautiful, warm aroma. You can switch it up, nutmeg, cardamom, even a little vanilla. Mix that together, then pour in your yeast mixture. Start kneading, and once it begins to come together, add 2 eggs at room temperature and a little more than 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Now this dough will feel sticky, very sticky. And I know it's tempting to fix it, but don't. This is exactly how it should be. Keep kneading until it becomes smooth, soft, and stretchy. This is what gives you that cloud-like texture later. Transfer it to a greased bowl. Lightly coat the top, cover it, and let it rest in a warm place for 1 hour. This is where the dough does all the hard work for you. While that's rising, let's make the fillings. For the custard, take 1 cup of full cream milk and add 3.5 tablespoons of sugar. Let it come to a gentle boil. In another bowl, mix a 1/4 cup milk with 2 tablespoons of custard powder until completely smooth. Pour that into the hot milk and cook until it thickens into a smooth, creamy consistency. Once it's ready, transfer it to a bowl and press plastic wrap directly on the surface. This keeps it silky, no skin on top. Let it chill, and once it's cold, whisk it until it's smooth and pipeable. Into a piping bag it goes, and into the fridge. For the chocolate filling, I'm using Nutella. It's easy, it's rich, and it just works every time. Now let's check on the dough. Look at that. Soft, airy, perfectly risen. This is exactly what we want. Lightly flour your surface, bring the dough out, and shape it into a log. Cut equal pieces, and here's where a little precision helps. Keeping them similar in size gives you even donuts. Roll each piece into a smooth ball. Take your time here. The smoother they are now, the better they'll look later. Place each one on a small square of baking paper and gently press them slightly. Cover and let them rest again for 15 to 20 minutes. They'll puff up again, lighter, softer, almost delicate. Now for frying. Carefully lift each donut using the baking paper and place it into medium hot oil. After a few seconds, the paper will release. just remove it gently. Keep the heat on low to medium. Too hot and they'll brown too quickly without cooking inside. Flip them gently and watch them puff and turn beautifully golden. Try not to overcrowd the pan. Give them space. They deserve it. At this stage, just be a little gentle with them. Flip them carefully and don't rush it. They're soft and airy, and handling them too roughly can deflate them or lose that beautiful shape. Once they're evenly golden, take them out and let them rest for a few seconds. While they're still hot, roll them in fine sugar. That light coating adds just the right touch. Now comes the best part, filling them. Make a small hole using a chopstick and gently create space inside. Pipe in the custard until you can feel it fill up. Do the same with the chocolate, and if you like, mark them so you know what's inside. You can also dip them in chocolate and add toppings. I'm adding roasted almonds for a little crunch. And now, just look at them. Soft, fluffy, filled, and honestly, they look like they came straight out of a bakery. Let's open one. That soft inside, that creamy filling. This is exactly what we are going for. Make these once and you'll understand why they don't last long. When you try them, let me know how they turned out. I'll see you in the next one. Something simple, something worth making. Until then, enjoy every bite. Feel free to leave a lovely comment about this recipe or just drop a heart if you're enjoying it. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends or family who would love it. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Thanks for watching.